3 a.m. in the morning, and I was just playing around with some bash. So not really, but I think everyone has used this before, but I just wanted to make a quick tutorial on how to make like a custom uh ASCII Cowsay um little thing like this. So Cowsay is like a mini application where you can like have a quote, like let's say, "Hi, how are you?" And it'll display a ASCII image with like a little text bubble. And what most people miss is like you can create your own ASCII art, right? And then and append this bubble to it. So Cowsay has its own like little built-in like already pre-made ASCII stuff. So like if I do, I think meow, and then whatever, it'll print this. But then you can make your own custom stuff. Like if I do this and then say, then yeah, you can add your own little ASCII art. So it depends on where you install it. Like if you do sudo apt install, you just have to find the folder where it's at. I usually have everything installed in Brew. So if you want to install Cowsay through Brew, like how I do it, just install Brew and then it's just brew install Cowsay. Or if you're doing it like traditionally, it's just sudo apt. I think it's sudo apt I Cowsay, something like that. But I usually do everything in brew because I don't know, I just think it's easier. Um, but you just want to go to the directory. I always forget the pathing. Um, I know it's in users. I'm pretty sure. And then I think opt. Um, and then it should be in here, right? Yeah, okay. So then it just depends on where you have it installed, really, where it's pathed. And I think it's. I actually have to look if. Yes, capital C. And then, sorry, bear with me. And then I think it's Cowsay. Okay, yeah, okay. So you want to open up that directory where you installed Cowsay. Um, and then this is the version that I installed through Brew. If it's different, I really doubt this directory will be different if it's like a lower version, or if it's like if it's an earlier version, um or even a later one. There should be this folder called share, and then you'll have this man folder and this cows folder. So everything here is like a pre-made cow script, basically, where really all it is, it's really just a bash script. Like it has two things, which is the ASCII art, and then these bash local variables, right? And all this is just a text bubble. So you can just use this extension, the .cow extension, and then create your own file. So like if you go to VS Code or whatever text editor you use, and then I'll do Gojo this time, right? And then do the .cow extension. I'm too lazy to find the directory again. But if I open up one of these, right? Let's do the skeleton one. just literally just copy the text. Again, all it is it's really a text file, but you're using the whatever extension they use to make the actual application. Um, so this is the end of code tag. You can delete this. But then again, what's the point of using their application? Um, so this is the um like the culmination of their text bubble. Um, to change like the width or the structure of it, I think it's a Perl program because they do include like .pm. Um, and I was looking at the documentation. I think you can edit the the function, but that's something I really didn't have the time for. Um, and then if you like, I'm not one to like look for or make my own ASCII art. So let's see. Let's see find a good one of Gojo. Okay, I like this one because it's simple. And then it should just be here, and then you could just remove the comment, but I'm gonna title it. And then you just want to find it in your directory and move it over to here. And then it should be right here, right? So now if I go here and then do clear and then I run Cowsay Gojo, or no, you have to do .f, and then I say nah, I'd win. Then you have your little guy. And then the cool thing is if you know, little bonus tip. I'm working off Mac, so this is gonna be different for Windows. But if you do Control, I think it's Command. It's either, I could be wrong. Command Shift. Okay, it's Command Shift period. But it shows your hidden files, and there should be like it should be titled either .bash rc. It'll either be one of these, but I use ZSH for my term. Um. Okay, that's weird because this isn't the right. I think is it bash? It could be. Okay, no. I could just be wrong. I could just be going crazy. Um. Okay, so it should be titled .zshrc, or you could go here and then do it the traditional way and do neo. uh I forget. I honestly forget. I think it's like neo uh this zshrc. Oh, what is it called? Neon? It's, oh, I'm tripping. I forget, but this is a easier way, but um you can change the color. I'm gonna keep it red, but you can look up the color codes for bash. um and then I'll do like Gojo. I'll do the Gojo one, and I'll say nah, I'd win, and then save that. And then on startup, if I close this and then open it up again, yeah, it'll show up here. So yeah, that's a quick tutorial. If you guys want more tutorials like how I did this, just give a like on the video. But yeah.